Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey guys, I am with Sabrina, the lovely dancer, and I was inspired by her gorgeous teal hair. We are going really colorful for this look, guys. And to start off, I am applying some foundation using my Real Technique sponge as always. And I mixed a couple shades together to get her perfect match. Going in with some concealer, I'm going to conceal under her eyes and highlight the center of her face. And I'm using our Undercover Liquid Concealer, one of my favorite concealers. It's really natural and it's anti-aging, if you didn't know. Then you want to blend that out using your sponge or your fingers, whatever works. So now I'm going to set her makeup, and I'm using a combination of our dual powders in shades C6 and C45, and I'm just going to set her face, and this is going to add a little bit more coverage and smooth out her complexion. Going in with our highlight and contour palette in medium, I am highlighting the center of her face. What I love about this highlight powder is that it has a natural glow from within type of look because there is a little bit of crushed pearl in there, so it gives you a nice glow without the shimmer, of course. And you want to apply that to the forehead and down the bridge of the nose. Yes, Sabrina giving us face. Moving on to contour, I'm using the contour color from the medium palette, and I'm just going to give her some cheekbones. So going into brows, Sabrina has really nice brows, but I am going to shape them up just a little bit using our brow pencil in brunette. And I'm going to clean up her brows just a bit with a little concealer. Then you want to blend that out, and it's going to add a nice highlight under her brow. And lastly for brows, I am setting it with a brow mascara. Going into our Brown Eyed Girl palette, I'm using my finger this time to apply that really pretty teal shadow on the lid. And then I'm going in with a brown shadow that I took from the Coco Couture palette. And I'm just going to blend that into the crease. And I'm going in with a purple, and I'm applying that on the outer corner of the eye and blending it into that teal color. Now I'm going in with our Black Caviar pencil to define her eyes. And I'm just lining the upper lash line. Pretty! And lastly for this look, I'm going in with some mascara, and I'm using Intense Lash. Going in with some blush, I'm using our blush in Sultry, which is a really pretty warm pink tone. For lips, we're keeping it nude, and I'm using Love Letter lipstick, which is a pretty soft peach tone. And I'm just applying that with a lip brush. And here's the finished look, guys. Super colorful, almost retro looking. Whoa! Look at that! It's so glam! Oh, thanks, Nicole! I like this purple into the green. Yes! On the cheeks. Thank you! This is cool. This is really nice. There are a few things that do. One of them, just knowing that, you know, it is just skin and it's what's on the inside that counts. I love my vessel very much, but I do believe that first and foremost it is what's on the inside. So that's what makes me confident, knowing that I like what's on the inside first. I love a lot of things. I love what I get to give to my community through my culture, and I think that that's very dear and special to me. I love the identity that it gives me, and the fact that, you know, I'm connected to a really big and vibrant culture. That is something that makes me very excited of being a woman of color. What would I say? I would say, okay, drink a lot of water. Like, water is your best friend. And rest, you know? And then also that, like I said earlier, that it is what is on the inside that counts. If you can be at ease and at peace with what's on the inside, then that's gonna glow out. You know what I mean? That's gonna seep out, and the world is gonna see a beautiful person, not just because of, you know, the contour or the strobing or whatever. It's because the world is gonna see someone who's in love with themselves, and that's gonna manifest and read as beautiful. So I would tell myself that for sure.